In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel on Trip.com. Whether you booked a hotel, flight, or train, I'll walk you through the exact taps needed to cancel a reservation without missing an important detail. Begin by opening the Trip.com app on your phone. If you see a sign-in prompt, log in with your account so the app can load your reservations. A strong internet connection helps the pages load quickly. Once you're in, head to Account. It's usually at the bottom of the screen and might be labeled Account or Profile, depending on your device. From there, choose All Bookings. This shows everything tied to your account in one place. If you have many, scroll to find the one you want to cancel. Make sure it's the correct trip by checking dates, city pairs, or hotel name. Next, tap Cancel. On many bookings, you'll see a cancel button right on this list. Tapping it will take you to the booking details. Before you proceed, review the details of the booking. Look closely at the cancellation policy, any applicable fees or penalties, and the refund method. Some rates are partially refundable or non-refundable, and timelines matter. For example, hotels often have a local cutoff time. If a voucher or credit will be issued instead of a card refund, it should be noted here. When you're comfortable with what will happen, choose Manage Booking. This opens the control panel for that reservation. Here you can view more policy notes, traveler or guest info, and other options specific to that supplier. Finally, select Cancel again to start the cancellation within Manage Booking. The app may display a short summary of the changes and ask you to confirm. After it processes, you should see a success message and the booking status will update. Keep a screenshot or note of any reference number shown on the confirmation page just in case you need to track a refund or speak with support later. Refunds typically return through the original payment method, and the timeline can vary by airline, hotel, or bank. It might take several business days. If the cancel option doesn't appear for a specific reservation, it usually means the provider doesn't allow in-app cancellations for that fare or the cutoff time is passed. In those cases, the details page will explain your options. That's it. You've canceled through the Trip.com app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate the process with confidence.